Green team does.
Green tea. I took mine off. I will want to get closer. Okay. Am I done? I'll keep my arm on it. Woo.
Think we're going all the way. Like it?
Kind of cool.
You're good.
That's fine.
Oh, you went.
Yep. Maybe a little bit further. Yeah, you're gonna get your nose all the way back there. You're almost there. That's. Don't wedge us. You gotta get back out, Scott.
Here, take it. Got it?
I got it. You need it? You got your pedal?
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me if you want me to paddle. Which side?
You're gonna follow me.
Okay. Tell me when. We're going. I'm gonna. Okay. I'm doing it at the wall. As far as we could.
All right, first up.